Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the world of top-rated tool sets on Amazon. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or just looking to expand your home toolkit, this countdown is for you. We'll be showcasing the best of the best, highlighting why these tool sets have become customer favorites. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our list of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon is the CARTMAN Precision 4-Piece Pick and Hook Set. This isn't just any tool set, it's a versatile companion designed to make those intricate tasks a breeze. Imagine working on your car, needing to pull out an O-ring or a gasket from a tight spot. Frustrating, right? Not with this set. The CARTMAN set includes 4 essential tools: a scratch-all, a 90-degree hook, a complex hook, and a curved hook. Each tool is crafted with an all-metal core, made of heat-treated CRV steel, ensuring they are both sturdy and sharp, ready to tackle any challenge you throw their way. What sets these tools apart is their ergonomic design. The rubberized handle provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, allowing you to work with precision and ease, even in the most awkward positions. Whether you're dealing with small clips, wires, or seals, these tools give you the control and dexterity needed to get the job done efficiently. But the benefits don't stop at auto repair. These tools are equally useful for home decoration projects. From removing stubborn hooks to delicately maneuvering tiny components, the CARTMAN Precision Pick and Hook Set is a versatile addition to any toolkit. And here's the kicker: this set offers incredible value. For a modest price, you get a reliable, durable, and highly functional tool set that's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. So if you're looking to upgrade your tool collection with something that combines quality, comfort, and versatility, the CARTMAN Precision 4-Piece Pick and Hook Set is a fantastic choice. Next up at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon is the 8 PCS Pick and Hook Set. This set is not just a collection of tools, it's an embodiment of precision and durability, designed to meet a variety of needs with remarkable efficiency. Constructed from heat-treated CRV steel and chrome vanadium steel shafts, these tools are the epitome of sturdiness and sharpness. They are built to last, ensuring that you have reliable tools at your disposal, whether you're working on intricate automotive repairs or delicate jewelry making. The ergonomic grip is a game-changer. With a non-slip rubber handle, each tool provides precision control, enabling you to perform tasks with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're pulling clips, rings, wires, gaskets, or washers, the comfort and control you experience with these tools are unmatched. This set includes 8 meticulously crafted pieces: 2 full hooks, 2 90-degree hooks, 2 45-degree hooks, and 2 straight hooks in 2 different lengths, 9.5 inches and 3.1 inches. Each shape and size is designed for specific tasks, making this set incredibly versatile. Imagine working on your car's ignition system or fiddling with tiny O-rings in electronic equipment. The 8 PCS Pick and Hook Set is designed for just such precision tasks. From intake valves to fuel valve O-rings, these tools are your go-to solution for a wide array of applications. So if you're looking for a tool set that offers premium quality, ergonomic design, and versatility, the 8 PCS Pick and Hook Set stands out as a top choice. It's a worthy addition to any toolkit, providing the perfect blend of functionality and durability. Taking the spotlight at number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon is the brake caliper press tool. This tool is a game-changer for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic, designed to make brake maintenance more efficient and less labor-intensive. First, let's talk compatibility. The brake caliper press tool comes with 2 sets of pushboards, one measuring 7.01 by 2.36 inches, and the other 4.53 by 2.17 inches. This makes it suitable for a variety of caliper types, including most single and twin pistons floating calipers, twin and quad pistons fixed calipers, and even some sextuplet pistons fixed calipers. Just ensure the piston calipers have enough space to accommodate the spreader. Now let's delve into its working principle. The centrally located ratchet screw is the heart of this tool. In expanded mode, it creates uniform thrust, pushing the boards outward to press multiple pistons simultaneously. This not only saves you energy but also significantly boosts your efficiency, making brake jobs quicker and easier. Using this tool is straightforward. Align the push boards centrally on both sides of the pistons. Ensure both sides of the boards are forced evenly, pressing both sides to start until the boards are firmly pressing the pistons. Swing the handle until the pistons are pressed to the desired position. Finally, adjust the switch to retract the boards and remove the spreader. It's a seamless process designed to minimize effort and maximize precision. Let's not forget the size specifics. The pushboards come in two sizes, 7.01 by 2.36 inches and 4.53 by 2.17 inches, with a telescopic range from 1.88 inches when fully retracted to 3.03 inches when fully expanded. This range ensures versatility for different caliper sizes and configurations. And here's the cherry on top: a 6-month customer service guarantee from 5 Bananas. Should you encounter any issues, simply reach out via email, and they promise to provide the best solutions. In summary, the brake caliper press tool stands out not just for its versatility and efficiency, but also for its user-friendly design and reliable customer support. It's a must-have for anyone serious about automotive maintenance. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon? Well, don't be a tool. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a beat on the latest and greatest tools for your projects. Holding the impressive position of number 2 in our top 5 best-selling tool sets on Amazon is the versatile and highly efficient 11PC Precision Pick and Hook Set with scraper and magnetic telescoping toolkit. This comprehensive kit is a dream come true for anyone involved in automotive repair, electronics maintenance, or any intricate handwork. The set features an array of tools designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision. It includes 5 larger automotive picks, each with a 6-inch shaft, a straight mechanic pick, a curved hook, a 45-degree hook, a 90-degree right-angle pick, and a 1-inch scraper tool. These tools are equipped with 4-inch grip handles, giving them a full length of 10 inches, 25.4 centimeters. Additionally, there are 4 smaller hooks with 3-inch shafts, a straight pick, a curved hook, a 45-degree hook, and a 90-degree pick tool, each with 3.5-inch grip handles, making them 6.5 inches, 16.5 centimeters in total length. But that's not all. This set also boasts a telescopic magnetic tool with a long handle, extending from 7 inches to an impressive 30 inches. Imagine the convenience of retrieving nuts, bolts, screws, jewelry, and other small metal objects from hard-to-reach places with ease. The 9-in-1 Precision Hook Kit is ideal for a myriad of tasks: repairing cars, handling radiator hoses, separating wires, removing small fuses, and retrieving loose parts. It's perfect for gaskets, springs, moldings, oil seals, faucet O-rings, washers, hoses, clips, clamps, cotter pins, and more. This set is your go-to for seal removal and installation, showcasing its versatility and functionality. The rods of these hooks are crafted from high-quality heat-treated carbon steel, making them incredibly sturdy and durable. The chrome-plated surface offers excellent protection against corrosion and rust, ensuring these tools remain reliable over time. To top it off, the pick and hook tool set comes with a handy storage tray, ensuring your tools are organized and easily accessible whenever you need them. Whether you're scraping, hooking, or picking, this set meets your diverse demands with unparalleled efficiency. In conclusion, the 11PC Precision Pick and Hook Set with scraper and magnetic telescoping toolkit is a must-have for anyone serious about precision work, automotive repair, or intricate maintenance tasks. Its robust design, wide array of tools, and practical storage solution make it an invaluable addition to any toolkit. Finally, taking the coveted number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon, we present the CARTMAN 148-piece automotive and household tool set. This is not just a tool set, it's a comprehensive solution for all your repair and maintenance needs, whether you're an avid car enthusiast or a dedicated DIYer. Let's delve into what makes this set truly exceptional. The CARTMAN 148-piece toolkit is meticulously curated to include all the essential tools required for everyday home repairs and automotive maintenance. From cutting to tightening, measuring to hammering, this kit covers it all. It's a one-stop shop that ensures you're always prepared for any task that comes your way. Durability is a hallmark of this tool set. Every tool is heat-treated to resist corrosion, ensuring they remain reliable and effective over time. You can trust these tools to withstand the rigors of frequent use, providing you with long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Organization is a breeze with the convenient blow-molded case that comes with this kit. Each tool has its own molded slot, keeping everything neatly in place. No more rummaging through a chaotic toolbox. You can easily locate and access the tool you need, saving you valuable time and effort. Quality is guaranteed. Every tool in the CARTMAN set meets or exceeds critical standards, ensuring that you're getting great value for your investment. These tools are designed to deliver top-notch performance, making them a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. But that's not all. The CARTMAN 148-piece tool set makes for an excellent gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, housewarming, or any special occasion, this kit is a thoughtful and practical choice for friends and family. It's the gift that keeps on giving, providing the recipient with everything they need for their repair and maintenance projects. In conclusion, the CARTMAN 148-piece automotive and household tool set stands out as the ultimate tool collection, combining comprehensiveness, durability, convenience, and quality. It's a must-have for anyone serious about tackling repair and maintenance tasks with confidence and ease. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tool sets on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.